Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing a candy taste test, and I got these candies from Economy Candy in New York City. So they didn't pay me to show this off. I just like to go there whenever I go to New York City. So economycandy.com is the website, but if you can get there, even better, 108 Rivington Street in the Lower East Side. Really cool place to go to get good candies, all sorts of varieties for great prices. So I have two things in here. I'm going to start with the first one. And it is M&M Caramel Cold Brew chocolate candies. So you see it here, it's coffee colored, of course, and look, I have some coffee right here. I love coffee. So here it is. So let's see what they say. It's a little QR code if you want to have some fun there. So yeah, they don't really talk about the flavors too much, but you know it's caramel and cold brew. Those are the calories if you're looking at calories. Anyway, I'm gonna open it up in this little corner here. Okay. So these are bigger. They kind of look like size of peanut M&Ms. Okay, that's good. Okay. So I'm going to have a little taste test. Okay. They're pretty sweet. I can taste a lot of the caramel, but not really so much of the cold brew coffee. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna try to focus it a bit more. Oh, there we go. So yeah, actually it's pretty caramelly. So here's the caramel. Okay, now I'm tasting a bit of coffee. All in all, I say it tastes good. I don't think it's very coffee flavored-ish. So if you're not like a huge coffee person, but you like it a little bit, you might like this. I feel as though the coffee kind of gives a bit of a palate cleanse. But it's very slight once again. Okay, well, I'm going to open up my other candy in a second. That'll be in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to Yay Fun Times, like, share this video with all your friends and family, and I'll see you in a bit. All right, bye guys.